Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name and age, please? Nice to meet you, Miss Noor. May I know what brings you here today? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Anything else? I'm really sorry to hear about it, Miss Noor, and I appreciate that you are concerned about your health. And I'm here to treat you and guide you at my best. Okay. But before I come to the management part, I will ask you a few questions to better understand your condition. Is it okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Miss Noor. So, Miss Noor, can you tell me since when you are having these pimples on your face? Mm-hmm. Do you have spots on your face only? Mm-hmm. Do you have spots on neck, back, or chest? Okay. And do you have pimples with pus? Okay. Have you noticed pimples with black hairs, white hairs? Okay. Is it related to your eating habit? Do you think so? Okay, Miss Noor, whatever I will talk, okay, our conversation will remain confidential, okay, and I'll ask you a few personal questions to better understand. Is it okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Miss Noor. So, can you tell me if these pimples are related to your periods? Okay, and how about flow of your periods? Mm-hmm. Okay, if and these are regular. Okay, and what about your weight? Mm-hmm. Okay, Miss Noor, if you are married. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Miss Noor, do you have redness and swelling of the tip of nose? Okay. Have you felt this your symptoms increase sun exposure? Mm-hmm. Do you excessively worry about minor things? Mm-hmm. And, did you have such pimples in the past as well? Is there any family history of such problem? Okay, Miss Noor, do you have high blood sugar, high blood pressure? Mm-hmm. Do you smoke? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Miss Noor, what do you do for a living? Mm-hmm. Okay, so how are things at your workplace? Mm-hmm. Okay, and how's everything at home? Okay, how's your sleep, Miss Noor? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Miss Noor, can you tell me if you has changed your soap or face wash? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Miss Noor, how this problem is affected your life? I appreciate your concerns and totally understand that how stressful situation it is for you. Miss Noor, what do you think is the cause of your pimples? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, have you ever tried to cut these things from your life? If it has worked? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so Miss Noor, the picture of your face show mild to moderate acne with papules and pustules. Okay, that are pulse-filled pimples. Okay, so Miss Noor, skin has certain glands, which are called sebaceous glands, and they secrete fluid called sebum. Okay, and sometimes these glands get blocked, and the tip of gland is blocked with the dirt, and that appear as a blackhead. Okay, and sometimes these pimples get infected and are filled with pus. Okay. Rest assured that there is a treatment available for these pimples and pustules. Okay, you need not to be worried. Okay, and there are certain lifestyle changes as well as some topical and oral medication which can cure these pimples. If you are with me, Miss Noor. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Miss Noor, can you tell me what medicine you have taken so far? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Ms. Noor, I offer you antibiotic by mouth plus a topical benzoyl peroxide, okay? And you have to apply at night, pea-sized, okay? Applied face at night for 6 months, okay? And we may consider topical retinite if benzoyl peroxide is not tolerated, okay? But for that, I'll be referring you to the specialist, okay? If it not worked, okay, and antibiotic of choice is lamicycline, 408 mg once daily. Okay, so I'm prescribing you tablet and tetracycline. Okay, lamicycline 400, 408 mg. Okay, and we will review after 6 weeks. Okay, and if inadequate response, we will switch to doxycycline 100 mg once a day. Okay, and Ms. Noor, you have to continue antibiotic for maximum of 12 weeks, okay? And continue topical treatments once antibiotic course is finished, okay? And you can repeat the course of antibiotic if acne recurs, okay? And aim is to, decrease number of lesions till they stop appearing, prevent scarring, and decrease psychological impact of condition. If you are with me. Mm-hmm. No, Ms. Noor, this is not a disease of poor hygiene and it's not associated with diet. Okay. Is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. And I'll encourage you not to, picking on pimples, because picking on pimples does not help. Rather, it will leave scars. Okay. Is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ms. Noor, remember the treatment may take weeks and months to work fully, and it's usually continued for a few months and 2 years. Okay, so I'll follow you. Okay, every 2 to 3 months. Okay, and continue treatment until new lesions stop developing. Okay, and I'll continue to take care of you. Okay, is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ms. Noor, besides that, the medicine I offer you certain lifestyle changes, okay, which will help decrease your pimples. Okay, I'll encourage you to washing of your face twice daily with warm water and good soap, and use fragrance-free water-based emollient if dry skin, okay, and apply a moisturizer after washing, increase water intake. Okay, keep yourself hydrated and take healthy diet. Okay, and do not squeeze the pimple; it will leave the scar. Okay, do not scrub excessively. Okay, and if you share your bedroom, do not share towels. Okay, and reduce your stress in life. Do things which makes you happy. Okay, and do not use cosmetics with steroids. Okay, and I encourage you to do exercise like walking and swimming. Okay, and it detox the body. Okay, and removes toxins from your body. Okay, so do not go in the sun without sunblock. Okay, and yes, Ms. Noor, remember that acne is not contagious disease. Okay, so others cannot have it by touching you. Okay, and Ms. Noor, it can cause both skin scars and emotional scars, which last life long. Okay, so I'll encourage you to remember there are now new technologies and other methods with which skin scars can be completely removed. Okay, is everything clear till now? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ms. Noor, with proper treatment, these pimples will go away, and these pimples are not your fault, okay? It is because of normal hormonal changes that occur at your age, okay? And if treatment goals are not reached after 12 weeks, so I'll review the treatment and consider alternative treatment or refer to the skin specialist. Is everything clear till now? Should I repeat it again for you? Okay, Ms. Noor, is there anything else you would like to discuss with me today? Okay, Ms. Noor, here's a leaflet. It includes all the information regarding your condition. I hope it will be helpful for you. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.